Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you another way that you could create a border in Photoshop. This is a ongoing series on how to create borders around your canvas. So in this way that we're going to do it, we're going to actually use the brush tool. So we're going to add a new layer, and then what I'm going to do here, again, this is depending on the effect that you want to create. So you could choose whatever color that you want with the brush tool, but in this case I'm going to use the color white, and then we're going to use a blend mode of overlay. Again, this is something you could change on your own, use a different color and use a different blend mode when you do this, or you could just leave it the color that you use with the brush tool. So I'm going to choose the color white, which I already selected, and I'm using a hardness of 0, and just whatever size that you want to do, you could choose. Again, this is something that you could play around with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Shift key, and I'm going to click and drag and draw or paint basically a border around this canvas. If I use the Shift key, it's going to draw it in a straight line, just like that. Again, at this point, we could leave it as white if that's the effect that you want to have. Or, again, if you use a different color, it depends on the effect that you want to create. You could leave the border as is. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a blend mode of overlay. So we have this like slight see-through effect. And at this point, again, this is something that we could leave as is, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a drop shadow. And there you go. So it all depends on the effect that you want to create for your canvas. So this is just another way that you could create borders in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also, please like, share, and comment. If you have a comment about this video, let me know in the comments below, or if you want a different type of video tutorial in the future, add that idea in the comments, and I'll be sure to create the tutorial for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.